Today we are going to draw a cute character together. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Now, inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. Make the eye shiny. Do the same for the other eye. Great job! Draw a small curved line for the nose. Draw a happy smiling mouse. Awesome job! Let's draw the hair together. Follow me. Draw the top hair shape like this. Now draw the round shape of the face. Perfect! Step 5. Draw the body. Draw a small neck first. Her body is smaller than her head, so draw thin lines close together. First, draw the arms on both sides. Then draw the waist and the body shape. Add clothes details, making them symmetrical. Now draw the legs using soft curved lines. Great! Finish the hairlines. Use small curved lines so it looks nicer. You are doing amazing! Did you draw it with me? Add details. See? Super easy. Step 7. You can color your drawing, just like the reference picture. And we're done! If you liked this video, please like, turn on the bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much!
See you in the next videos! I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye!